Good morning, student. Today is Monday, 13 July 2020. 2020. You are welcome in the class Physics 10 level, and you already know that we have started Unit 19, Practical Electricity. And the topic for today is work example 19.6 on the page 376. Open your books. I'm going to read the statement from the book so that you may understand the statement properly. Have my book and I'm going to read the statement from the book. A hot water heater is rated at 2880 watt. It is power 2880 watt. This one, and 240 volt. It is connected with the main supply is 240 volt. Calculate the operating current. Operating current means I. We have to find the I. Capital I, and you know that the formula to calculate I we will use here, P is equal to IV. What we have to calculate? Two things. That calculate the operating current, I. Also we have to suggest something and suggest a suitable rating for the fuse to protect the heater from overheating. Now, you are already familiar with this formula. P is equal to IV. By rearranging this equation, we will have I is equal to P over V, power divided by volt, and we get 12 volt. Now the answer for the suggestion that what is the suitable rating fuse. A suitable fuse will have a fuse rating that is slightly higher than the operating current. We got the operating current 12. This means at least we have to use the fuse that is a 13 volt, little more higher than that operating current. So we should have to use a fuse of 13 ampere. Here it is ampere A. It should be A here, 13 ampere. Now we will solve another example, that is 19.7. Once again, let me read the statement on book on the page 376. Work example 19.7. There are four things: 50 watt fruit blender, 800 watt microwave, 400 watt refrigerator, and 1.5 kilowatt electric kettle. This kilowatt, 1.5 kilowatt, we will change it into the watt, and it will become 1500 watt. The first thing is this, that there are four things are given. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's say P1, P2, P3 and P4. Now all these things powers, this 1500 came that we read that the kettle is a 1.5 kilowatt. So by multiplying it by 1000 we get 1500. P1, P2, P3, P4 all together they are installed in one kit. So we will add and make them a P. P will be equal to P1, P2, P3, P4 and when we add them it become 2750 watt altogether. The same question is this, that it is attached with the 240 volt main and the circuit breaker is being used in a kitchen that is of 20 ampere. First of all, we have to find the operating current with the same formula, that P is equal to IV, and by rearranging we get P over V, I is equal to P over V. And while we calculate and simplify 2750 divided by 240, it's come 11.5 ampere. Now we have to suggest that a 20 ampere circuit breaker is being used in this kitchen. So we have to suggest that is it suitable or not. If you see the answer again, it's come 11.5. Our answer comes 11.5 ampere. But the circuit breaker that we are using, its rating is 20. It's mean the circuit breaker rating is already more than that of our operating current, and therefore this will not trip or fuse will not blow. That 20 ampere circuit breaker is enough and it is good to use it here. So thank you and God bless you boys. Have a nice day. Hopefully we will meet each other tomorrow.